Hey guys, Dan the Man here, and today I've got an unboxing for you guys. I've got the HP 15S. It's a pretty good office slash a little bit of gaming notebook. It's mostly used for office works or day-to-day tasks. It's a pretty powerful notebook. It's the Ryzen edition of this notebook. Let's look at the specification of this thing together right up here. As you can see, HP 15S, it comes with AMD Ryzen 7 5825U. It's an 8-core CPU, APU, so it's a CPU and it's also a graphics card at the same time. And it also comes with 512 gigabytes of NVMe SSD. I believe you could expand it, however, I'm not sure about that yet. And it comes with 8 gigabytes of DDR4 laptop RAM. I believe you can expand that as well. And it doesn't have, of course, optical drive. It comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, and it's got a full HD IPS panel, and it's got a 41 watt hour battery. So that's all we see. That's the variant information. I haven't opened this yet. I got this for someone from Amazon, and we're gonna open this. It just took for 2 days for it to arrive. And okay, let's open the seal from both sides. This is the black edition. You could get actually Intel Core i5 12 Gen with NVIDIA graphics MX 550 as well. So it comes in this package. It's a pretty nice box. It's got plenty of protection in there. Wow, it's a lot of stuff. So let's have a look at this thing. It looks like a letter. Important product information. It's very important. Okay, so wow. So let's see what's there. Let me try to open this thing. Yes, we have opened it already. I believe it's user manual guide and stuff. Yeah, user manual guide or things which you never really read. And this technically teaches you how to use a laptop if you've never used one. Okay. I like this packaging. It's pretty nice, and it's something that you could use to recycle, I believe. Wow. This comes out really hard. Okay. Yeah, here we go. It's open, just like you can see here. It's a pretty light, and so here we have the notebook itself. As you can see, it's pretty light. It's not that heavy. I believe it's about 1.5 kilos excluding the charger. It's got plastic build. Let's open the seal. It's a pretty sleek looking notebook. Look at the back of it. It doesn't really attract fingerprints or anything like that. It's a pretty good looking notebook if you ask me. And it's light enough. It's 15.6 inches. I've owned a lot of HP notebooks in the past. I still have them. The gaming ones, they were great products. Never had a problem with them. But I believe every manufacturer does make good looking and good notebooks. Here's the keypad, and here we got the keyboard. And I like this plastic material. It's pretty good. The trackpad feels like glass. However, I'm not sure if that's plastic or glass, but it feels pretty good. Keyboard feels not bad, I would say. You got the Ryzen logo and the Vega graphics, I believe, in there. And let's have a look at the charger that it comes with. That's the cable, European style. I'm gonna put that aside. Let's just have a look at the charger here. So it's a 45 watt charger, so it's pretty small actually. It's a very light charger. It's easy to carry around with you, but I wish that they use Type-C. But this type of charging port, HP makes them for all of their notebooks pretty much. Like all the HP notebooks that I have, like the ones from like 7 years ago, 5 years ago, or the one that I just bought last year, they use the same port. So you could literally use them on other notebooks as well. But this one's 45 watts, so probably it's just going to charge the battery. It's not going to help the laptop run very well on it. So on the side, as we can see, we have two USB ports, the charging port and the LED light. We got a HP logo there with reasonably sized bezels, I would have to say. And on this side, you got a micro SD card for content creators. It's a great one. You got a headphone jack. Thank you for putting that there. You got USB Type C and you have HDMI. They barely fit that HDMI. So this is how thick the notebook is, which basically is not thick at all if you want to consider the size of the HDMI port right there. It's pretty light. It feels good in the hand. It's got a matte screen, which I love. And on the top, you got your cam, and it comes with Windows 11 already, so I'm just gonna press that on. I believe I'll have to set that up, and before the screen comes up and everything else, and the windows, I'm just gonna turn it back to look at the exhaust. There is, I believe, exhaust behind this hinge rail, so it pushes the air in. I can hear the fan in there, and then it exhausts it from the back behind the thing. So let's just have a look at this thing. It comes with the Turkish windows, but of course I'm gonna have it installed in English, you know. So let's have a better look at this way. Okay, hello, English United Kingdom, let's say. Okay, let's just choose region. By default, you can change all these things later on. That's not important. We can just go with any style of keyboard. For now, we're not going to add. We can just add them later on in the windows. It's pretty simple, straightforward. It works well. So it's a pretty straightforward installation. It's going to be done. So that's pretty much it as for the overview. You could use this for office work. You could use this for some light gaming, let's say Fortnite, Counter-Strike, probably even PUBG or some other games on low setting, 1080p, or some older games like GTA 5, Grand Theft Auto 5. Let's say on medium setting or high setting, it would just work fine. That's pretty much it. If you like it, thumbs up. If not, let me know what you think. Anyway, see you guys later. If you got comments, just comment.